Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to invite friends on Picsart. If you want to share your Picsart experience with your friends and collaborate on the fun, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open Picsart application on your device and log in if necessary. Now from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After you're inside your profile page, go to the top right section and tap on the profile icon with a small plus in it. Here you can find contacts or invite friends. To invite friends, click on Invite Friends button and then you can go ahead and invite friends via multiple options such as email, SMS, or WhatsApp. If you want to invite friends via email, select email and enter your friend's email address to send the invitation. To send the invitation via SMS, select SMS and you'll be able to select a contact and send the SMS invite to the person. If you want to share via WhatsApp, tap the WhatsApp button. I'm just going to tap on the email option. After you do that, you will then be able to select a contact to whom you'd like to share the link with. Now, in the to box, type in the contact email of the friend you want to invite. And once done, you'll be able to see a pre-made invite link displayed on the screen. After you are done with it, you can then send in the invite link by tapping the arrow at the top right. And that's how you can easily invite friends on Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.